If you want to know how a plant grows, it takes water, air and sunlight and makes cellulose. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Unlike me and you, plants need CO2, and they make oxygen that stops us turning blue. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis.
Talk about the building blocks of life, cells that make us. Cells, they're made of organelles. Try to pull a fast when the cytoplasm gels. The nucleus takes over, controlling everything. The party don't stop till the membrane box is seen. Inside the vacuole, we can float around for hours, running around with chloroplasts, loving sunlight showers. Cells, they're made of organelles.
I'm trapped in a cell. Did you know that all living organisms have cells? Cells are the basic unit of life, and cells come from pre-existing cells.
Isn't that the cell theory? Ugh, just get me out!
First, let me tell you about plants and animals. Plants and animals are both eukaryotic, which means their DNA is in a nucleus. They reproduce sexually, and they are multicellular or single-cellular organisms.
Isn't the opposite of that prokaryotic? Oh, so that's when the DNA floats freely, they reproduce asexually, and they are single-celled.
Yep.
Molecules through the membrane, selectively permeable part, diffusion where molecules moving, high to low is the source.
So what's so special about cells anyway?
They all have cell membranes, DNA, RNA, a cytoplasm, and the ribosomes make protein.
This is so transporting my brain using energy from a lower level of confusion into a higher one.
So your confusion changing is active transport, using energy and cells moving from low against the current.
I guess. But what about passive transport? Sounds more laid back to me.
Well, passive transport doesn't use energy. It moves from a high to a low concentration.
So like diffusion, osmosis, which is water diffusion, and facilitated diffusion, which is a passageway.
You're really catching on.
There was a guy named Hook, cut some cork and he had a look. Underneath his microscope, tiny rooms that he saw in groups. Empty rooms that looked like shells, he's the one that called them cells. Listen up cause we're not done, cell theory had just begun. I want scientists to know, the inventor of the microscope, Anton von Leeuwenhoek, saw cells move and it's like let's go, cell theory.
Haley.
Hey Sean, you want to hear what I just heard about Hook?
Oh my gosh, yes.
So evidently, Hook discovers boxes in court.
Oh no, he didn't.
Yeah, when looking under a microscope. Shh, don't tell nobody.
Okay, I won't. Bye.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hey Hook.
Hey Schwan, is Leeuwenhoek talking about me?
Oh, of course not.
Okay, because he was literally, he only like observed the first cells, so he doesn't have any rights.
Oh, I know. Leeuwenhoek has nothing on you, Hook.
Okay, good. But don't tell him I said that.
Oh, I won't. Don't worry.
Bye. Ding, ding, ring, 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 ding, ding, ding.
Hello?
Hey Leeuwenhoek, I'm very mad.
Oh, what happened?
So evidently Schwan thinks he's way cooler than me just because he discovered animals have cells. I mean, I discovered plants have cells, so I'm pretty cool too, right?
Oh yeah, plants are way cooler.
Okay, I just wanted your opinion. Thanks.
Oh yeah, you're welcome.
Don't
bro.
tell Schwan.
I won't.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hello?
Hey Schleiden.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Like, Virchow, he's just talking and talking about how cool he is, but he's honestly such a loser.
Yeah, I know. What do you do this time?
All he did was discover cells come from pre-existing cells. That's not even, like, cool.
We did stuff way cooler than that.
He's such a loser. He doesn't even have a head.
I know.
Loser.
Loser.
Ugh, don't tell him, though. I don't want to start drama.
Oh, I won't. Don't worry.
Bye.
The water pressure inside plant cells is called turgor pressure.
and it is maintained by a process called osmosis. Osmotic pressure is the pressure that would have been applied to a pure solvent to prevent it from passing into a given solution by osmosis, often used to express the concentration of the solution. Plasmolysis is the concentration of the protoplast of a plant cell as a result of loss of water from the cell.